This PetroSkills PetroAcademy skill module discusses scope delivery at the core level. This section discusses why this module is important. Developing a specific, complete scope of work and a project execution plan to deliver that scope are key steps in getting your project onto the right track. Working with key stakeholders to thoroughly identify both business and technical requirements will reduce the chance of changes and scope creep. Aligning the business, stakeholder, and solution and system requirements will result in improved facility designs and allow team members to see how the needs of all parties are being met. Integrated, effective project execution plans will not eliminate all surprises during the execution stage, but will help the team understand the workflow and will increase the chance that team members will do the right thing when the unexpected occurs. The scope of work and the project execution plan go together. In order to develop a strong project execution plan, the full scope of work must be known. The goal of project execution planning is to achieve integration among stakeholders and project disciplines as to how the project will be executed. Execution plans integrate the different project development functions into a single, larger system that operates as one to deliver the project. To increase the likelihood of a successful project outcome, the following are needed: a complete detailed scope of work, a carefully constructed project execution plan, a strong change management process. This module is composed of 5 sections. They are planning for scope delivery, establishing the scope, verifying using a work breakdown structure, the project execution plan, and scope control. Leaving the definition of the scope of work unfinished or vague opens the door to changes to scope during the execution stage of project development. If your scope of work is incomplete, your project will be subject to turbulence caused by late changes. Your basis for estimating, scheduling, and/or decision-making will be constantly changing. You will not be able to tell project stakeholders you can forecast the final project outcome. Let's avoid this tornado of cost, schedule, and operability challenges. Demonstrating effective business and technical skills is another key milestone to becoming a project manager. Facilitating the stakeholder requirements meetings and working with the various project disciplines to plan execution will test your negotiation and problem-solving skills. This scope delivery module will give you the methods and tools needed to work effectively with others to develop a complete description of the scope that is to be built, and manage scope changes that do occur despite a best effort to identify issues and eliminate them up front. Let's get started.